What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin, and today's video we shall see if Bitcoin will be breaking out or not. And by breaking out, I mean breaking out from the support trend line. So looking at it from the 4 hours time frame, we could see that Bitcoin is still bearish. It's still very much bearish. We weren't able to break above the major resistance at $71,400 and $400. We weren't able to break above that resistance. So if you watched my video yesterday, I made it known to us that there is a less likely chance or possibility for us to break above this resistance, because if you look at the whole geopolitical tension right now, it's still very much elevated, and whatever Trump is telling us right now regarding making peace with the Iran, about Iran giving the US free 2 ships filled with crude oil, it definitely does not change anything, because Trump definitely wants the bond yields to I think go down, and because of that he's trying every possible means to make sure that he's dishing out so many good news to make people feel like everything is going well under the table. So without wasting much of your time, you could see right here that crude oil, on the other hand, is doing well, in the sense that economy is doing bad. So with the look of things, inflation will most likely keep on creeping into the market. Commodities will keep on rising, and when that happens, major risk on assets will continue to dump. So with the look of things, crude oil has finally reclaimed this consolidation phase right here between $98 to $92, which is very much elevated right now. So without wasting much of your time, I would let you know that crude oil will most likely be going higher than this right now, because no matter all the possible means that Trump is trying to bring down the price of crude oil, to bring down the inflation, it's not working, because inflation doesn't work by just words of assurance, but people definitely need to see that both parties have definitely come out to assure everyone that there won't be any means of inflation from the war. So with the look of things right here, S&P 500 still very much bearish. Like I said, it has broken the major support from this trend line, which is very, very bad, extremely bad. This only means that the market will most likely keep on going down, and when this happens, we definitely know that the world job market right now is very bad. There's a lot of layoff due to AI and all what's not. So with the look of things are definitely not looking well. So 2026 will most likely be a very bad year for investors and companies, and for the governments and all what's not. So I would say the right thing to do is to sit on our hands and wait for the market to calm down. The market needs to calm down. There's no need for you to rush into any of the market. You could see gold has kind of found support around here at $4,300, which is definitely good to see that gold has kind of found a major support around this level. Other commodities like silver has also found major support, but I'm making this video for Bitcoin especially. So with the look of things, Bitcoin is still very much bearish, and I don't see any reason why Bitcoin will most likely be going up, except maybe Trump comes with his so-called good news, and but right now everyone would definitely want to be very sure if the good news is definitely something that will reflect from the Iran's leader. So for now, if Trump is saying anything, people will definitely not take him seriously, because we definitely want to hear from both parties to be very much aware that, okay, this is definitely what two different countries that are at loggerheads with one another are agreeing on. So Bitcoin still very much bearish, because the market right now is not looking very well. You could see crude oil is still very much elevated, and when the New York opens today, when the US markets open, we can definitely tell what the US are actually going to be doing about this, how they are going to be reacting, with roughly 2 days of bearish movements in the market. So without wasting much of your time, if you look at the other chart right here, you could see that Bitcoin is still in a bear flag pattern, which is still very, very bad, and you could see Bitcoin has broken below this major support at 69,150. So we are most likely going to see Bitcoin heading towards this level at 66,000 dollars. So I think we all need to get ready, prepare for the worst case scenario, but nevertheless, this is actually a very good time to start accumulating Bitcoin. Very good level to start accumulating Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at its very cheap region right now. I wouldn't say very cheap region, but cheap region. And if the moment we break below $65,000, we are most likely going to be heading into the very cheap region, which I would definitely be accumulating from that level. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, from the monthly time frame right here, you could see that Bitcoin is still doing very well, holding on very well. We are still above the $65,000 level, so which is still a good news. So moving into April, I think April will still most likely be bullish, left to me, in as much as we've not broken below $65,000. Bitcoin is still very much good to go. So yep, without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.